Hey Brightonites, ready to kickstart your career? Let's create your LinkedIn profile step by step. First, open your browser and go to linkedin.com. Click Join Now to get started. Enter your email address and create a password. Then, click Agree and Join to continue. Now, enter your full legal name to help with future account verification. Now, fill in your location and job title. If you're a student, enter Brighton College as your school. Answer a few simple questions to help LinkedIn understand your job status and improve your job search experience. Next, upload your LinkedIn profile picture. We'll skip this step in this video, as we'll cover detailed tips for a professional LinkedIn photo in another section. You'll then see a list of recommended LinkedIn accounts from popular organizations in Australia. Follow those relevant to your industry or work experience, or simply skip this step. Next, we'll start building your online resume. Your banner is like your digital business card. You can use a professional background or create one with Canva. This is where you introduce yourself with a short, engaging summary of your background, skills, and career interests. Next, let's add your education and work experience. You can do this in two ways. First, use LinkedIn's AI resume tool by uploading your prepared resume. LinkedIn will automatically extract key details for your profile. Simply review and adjust if needed. Or you can manually enter your work experience and education in each section here. Now, start building your network. Add classmates, teachers, and professionals in your industry. Finally, let's dive into one of the most important features on LinkedIn, the Jobs search section. Click the Jobs tab to access thousands of job listings tailored to your skills and interests. Use the search bar to find jobs by title, company, or location. Filter results by full-time, part-time, remote, or internship positions. Click on a job to see details, company insights, and required skills. Some jobs even show if you're a top applicant based on your profile. LinkedIn can also direct you to the company's required application link for a quick and easy process. Stay ahead by setting job alerts. LinkedIn will notify you when new opportunities match your profile. That's it, Brightonites. Your LinkedIn profile is now live. Keep updating it, stay engaged, and watch new opportunities come your way.